Hey guys, Figurecraft here, and today we got a package in the mail, and I'm going to be getting another package in the mail today too. So today we're going to be going over the Tifa in the mature dress from Play Arts Kai. Sometime today when I get it in the mail, I finally got it back. And the thing that we're going to be going over right now though, that I got in the mail is I got an Agora Models package in the mail. And if you see there, shipment 6. So, I'm excited for this. So, get the box open. Which we're into the box now. Oh, look there, y'all. Look there. It's our pocket watch. We got our Titanic pocket watch. Oh man, I gotta open this. Now, how do we get that out of there? Just nope. Crap. Hang on a minute. I gotta get something to dig it out. Let me see what I got here. Let me use these tweezers to try to grab that little ring. Pull it up. Yeah. Oh man, that thing's stuck. Oh look, there's the chain behind it. And the chain just fell out. There we go. Oh man, look at that. That is awesome. Titanic. Yes, our next free gift. Where'd that thing fall to? There it is. There's the chain. So I'll put it back where it was. I'll put this right there, and then we'll close that. But yeah, we got our Titanic pocket watch. Sweet. Okay. So we should have some issues 27 to 32.